Hello guys, welcome to Carlos Pimentel in Tech channel. We are going to continue working with some conditions. We are going to see a very useful option whenever you have to test multiple conditions and results. So let's have a test score and the comment which will be resulting from the score in the cell A2. So to start, let's press Alt F11 and we go to VBA. As you can see, we always have the option explicit up here to make sure that we have to declare the variables and avoid the bug. And the macro, we are going to call it score underscore comment. So let's start. We already have done this just to save time. The variables we are going to have are two variables. One will be node, so you have to, as usual, declare by writing dim node f, which is the type, and it will be an integer, and comma here. And now let's put comment variable, which let's say score, and here a capital one. Remember the camel case. Score comment will be type string. Okay, with these two declared, now let's put where the value from node will come from. Let's attribute node a value which will be range cell. In this case, the result will be coming from cell A2, which is selected, by the way. Okay, so after that, let's comment here. Our comment will be based on the score. So now we're going to start putting our condition. Let's suppose that the maximum result a student or anybody could have is 5. So then the grades will be from 0 to 5. So if node equals 5, let's say, then here let's put it score, C control space bar to complete it. Score comment should be equal to, okay, let's say excellent. So this is the first condition. So just to be quicker, let's put now else if, okay, just to save time, let me copy, and now, okay, let me put here else. Okay, else if the, let me put it here, so node will be equal to 4, then the score comment should be, okay, instead of excellent we could have good, for instance. Alright, now you want to try another option or another possibility. So if the result is not this one, instead it should be, let's say, 3. Now if you have 3 here, then you want it to say, okay, just satisfactory. So any result from 3 to 5 is satisfactory, or is good, or excellent. Now if we want to test the bad results, so copy it and stay here. Okay, else if it's 2, then the score comment should be, okay, let's say let's say unsatisfactory. Okay, now there is another option still here. Okay, let's change it to 1. Then let's say here the result is should be bad as a comment. Now the last one, after this one, of course, after 1 should be 0. So now the last one you just put else. Make sure you don't put else if again. Else you have a score comment horrible or terrible. Just put it. It's just practice. Okay, terrible. All right. Now the comment should be coming in B2. So let's put a comment here. Comment in B2. So for that to happen, just need to write range B2 equals score C. Okay. Make sure before you put that one, you have to end the if statement, which we started up there. So you see, the advantage of using else if is like you only have a main condition here, and you only have to call it once, and this way you save a lot of trouble for yourself. But now before we run it, remember we have to input a button here so we can run our macro. So let's insert the control, a form control here, a button in this C cell, which will be connected to the personal and then score comment macro. Okay, for now, for us to run the button, let's come back to Visual Basic, save it, go back to Excel, and let's try and put 5. Now let's run. You can see excellent here. If you put it 1, you see bad. If you put it 2 there and hit the button, say unsatisfactory. 4 will be good. So this is a very good way for you to use the else if condition to test for you to try multiple conditions and save a lot of lines of code. Thank you for watching. I'll be showcasing another video in which you can use a different way to try an if condition, which is in fact selecting cases. So thank you for watching. Please welcome and subscribe, and bye for now.